You don't need thousands of followers to make sales on YouTube. You just need the right system. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I get consistent traffic and sales, even for my small YouTube channel, using something called a playlist funnel or a playlist series. When I first started posting on YouTube, I thought I needed to go viral to get paid, but the truth is, some of my lowest viewed videos have made me the most amount of money because YouTube, though you might not think so, they don't pay you for views. They pay you in trust. And trust comes from structure, how your content leads people from video to video until they're ready to buy. So we're going to dive into it with step one, which is finding buyer intent keywords. Let's start with what really matters, and that's getting in front of the right people. So right now, go to ChatGPT and open it up, and I want you to type in this prompt. Give me 10 YouTube video topics that solve real problems for people who want to, your niche or whatever that is. It could be make money online, start a side hustle, or build digital income. And then I want you to ask it, which 5 of these topics would attract ready-to-buy buyers, not just people looking for free information? And what's going to happen? ChatGPT is going to give you topics and search terms that your target audience is literally typing right now. So copy those titles down because those are your buyer intent keywords, the one YouTube's AI can easily understand, rank, and push you in front of people searching for your help today. They're going to be like your traffic magnets. Let me kind of show you how this works. For example, if you title a video, How I Made 1K During the Government Shutdown, YouTube knows to show it to people typing in things like make money from home, side hustle 2025, or even EBT not reloading. You see, YouTube's AI connects the dots between what people search, what they watch, and what videos keep them watching. So instead of fighting for views, your videos quietly rise because they're designed for discoverability. So now that you understand that, we're going to move into step 2, which is actually creating your first or a mini YouTube funnel. Now, this is going to require that you have a YouTube account. And if you have Google, you basically do just create one aside YouTube and go to YouTube Creator Studio. And I want you to open up your YouTube dashboard and do this with me. You're going to go to playlists, new playlist, and you're going to name it something, whatever your niche is, starter series. And here's the entire funnel layout. So if you already had the 5 videos, it's going to look something like this. Video 1 is about awareness. For example, how I make 1K during the shutdown. Video 2 is about proof, like how my students made 1K too. Video 3 is going to be about that product creation. An example could be what to sell online if people don't know, or video 4 could be about traffic, which is basically this video you're watching right now. And then video 5 is conversion, which is the offer video. But each video solves one small problem and points to the next. And that's what makes YouTube recommend your content more because it sees viewers binging your playlist. Now, we're going to go into step number 3, which is optimize your next upload. So before you post your next video, here's a ChatGPT prompt I use to title my videos for traffic right now. Write 5 curiosity-driven YouTube titles with high CTR potential that include the keyword of your topic and sound like something a regular person would actually search for. Then what you're going to do is pick one that feels natural with no clickbait, just clarity. Now go into your YouTube description and add this line at the bottom of every video. Watch the full Your Niche Starter Series playlist here and include that link. That one line turns every video you post into a traffic loop, which is going to bring us to step 4. Create one actionable post to drive that traffic. So take your new video link and you can post it on Threads, Facebook, or even right here in the YouTube community. Here's the post I want you to add. If you've been trying to make money online but feel invisible, I just dropped a new video showing how I get traffic and sales from YouTube. Even with a small channel, it's not what you think. One short post like that can drive your first 50 to 100 targeted views. Now, I hope this helped you a lot because in the next video, I'm going to show you how to turn all this traffic into your first 1K to 5K online using a real 90-day plan. So, right now on your screen, click this next video because once you understand how to create the traffic on command, you'll never worry about algorithms again. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.